Since launching its first satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975, India has always looked for new things in space, driven by a relentless curiosity and a desire to explore the unknown. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, loves science and has become really good at making new things, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Inspiring many people with its amazing achievements, ISRO has become a symbol of national pride and scientific excellence. ISRO's journey has been all about never giving up, being clever and wanting to understand space. Their perseverance and ingenuity have been key to their success. At the beginning, ISRO didn't have a lot of money or technology. They started with very basic resources and equipment. But ISRO kept going, wanting India to be a leader in space. Their determination and vision have driven them forward. Every successful mission has helped us understand the universe better and use space technology to help people. From weather forecasting to agricultural planning, ISRO's contributions are invaluable. Today, ISRO is one of the best space agencies in the world, known for its smart and affordable space missions. Their innovative approach has set them apart. From satellites that watch Earth to missions to the Moon and Mars, ISRO's achievements are a testament to their expertise and ambition. ISRO shows it's really good at space and wants to learn more. Their continuous quest for knowledge drives their missions. The SpaDeX mission, with its big goals and cool technology, shows how ambitious ISRO is and how much it wants to be the best in space. Their future looks bright and full of promise. The SpaDeX mission, which stands for Space Docking Experiment, marks a significant milestone in India's space journey. This mission is not just another project. It represents a leap forward in our capabilities and ambitions in space exploration. This groundbreaking project aims to master the art of docking spacecraft in orbit, a crucial skill for constructing large structures in space and embarking on interplanetary missions. The ability to dock spacecraft is essential for future space stations and long-duration missions to other planets. SpaDeX is more than just a mission. It symbolizes India's aspiration to become a global leader in space technology. The dedication and hard work of our scientists and engineers are paving the way for a new era in space exploration. Scheduled for launch in December 2024, SpaDeX will feature two indigenously developed spacecraft, Chaser SDX-01 and Target SDX-02, performing a complex docking maneuver in space. This intricate dance will demonstrate our advanced capabilities in space operations. The mission will showcase India's proficiency in orbital maneuvers, autonomous spacecraft navigation, and docking techniques. These skills are critical for future missions that involve human spaceflight and the construction of space habitats. Mastering these techniques is essential for sending astronauts to space and building a sustainable space station. The knowledge gained from SpaDeX will be invaluable for our future endeavors. SpaDeX is set to revolutionize India's approach to space exploration. It signifies a shift from merely launching satellites to undertaking more complex and technologically demanding missions. It's no longer just about sending a single satellite into orbit. The focus is now on more challenging projects that require sophisticated technology and international collaboration. These ambitious projects necessitate cutting-edge technology and partnerships with other countries, positioning India as a key player in the global space community. With the successful execution of SpaDeX, India will join the elite group of nations capable of docking spacecraft, solidifying its status as a major force in space exploration. Imagine two spacecraft zooming through space at thousands of kilometers per hour, trying to connect perfectly. That's what SpaDeX is all about, a careful and precise operation high above Earth. The mission starts by launching the Chaser and Target spacecraft on ISRO's trusty rocket, the PSLV. Once in orbit, the two spacecraft will do a series of planned moves, slowly changing their speed and path to meet. This space dance needs special sensors, strong thrusters, and a good understanding of how things move in orbit. The most important part of SpaDeX is how the spacecraft connect. The Chaser has a special system to grab and connect to the target. This system has to work perfectly in the tough environment of space, where it's very hot and cold and there's no air. If the spacecraft connects successfully, it will show that India is really good at this technology, making it possible for even more complicated missions in the future. The SpaDeX mission shows how ISRO likes to build its own technology, showcasing India's growing capabilities in space exploration. The mission uses lots of things made in India, from the rocket and spacecraft to the connecting system and the computer programs that control it. This homegrown approach not only boosts national pride, but also ensures that the technology is tailored to our specific needs. Building our own space technology makes India very proud and helps us achieve our space goals. It also fosters innovation and self-reliance, which are crucial for the future of our space endeavors. SpaDeX uses lots of cool new technologies, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in space. Special navigation systems using star trackers and GPS help the spacecraft move very precisely. These advanced systems ensure that the spacecraft can navigate the vastness of space with pinpoint accuracy. High-quality cameras take pictures for docking, and smart computer programs use this information to make sure the spacecraft connects safely. This combination of hardware and software is essential for the success of the mission. The connecting mechanism is a really cool piece of engineering designed to handle bumps and create a tight seal between the spacecraft. This ensures that the connection is secure and reliable, even in the harsh conditions of space. SpaDeX also shows how good ISRO is at making computer programs. These programs are the backbone of the mission, controlling every aspect of the spacecraft's operations. The program that controls the mission and the complicated moves in orbit is made entirely in India. This showcases our ability to develop sophisticated software solutions for complex space missions. This smart program is like the brain of the mission, guiding the spacecraft through each step of the connecting process. It ensures that every move is calculated and executed with precision. If SpaDeX is successful, it will show that these technologies are ready to use and help India become even better at space exploration. This success will pave the way for future missions and solidify India's position as a leader in space technology. Section 5. A stepping stone to the stars. SpaDeX and the future of Indian space exploration. SpaDeX is more than just a test. It helps India become a leader in space exploration. The things we learn from SpaDeX will help India with its big space plans, like building a space station and sending people to the moon and beyond. The Indian space station will benefit the most from SpaDeX. Connecting spacecraft is important for building and taking care of a space station, bringing supplies, changing crews and adding new parts. SpaDeX will give ISRO the experience it needs for such a complicated project. SpaDeX will also be important for missions to other planets. Connecting spacecraft in orbit will be needed for building big spacecraft to go to Mars and other places. It will also help us develop new ways to explore space, like using a station near the moon to help people explore the moon. SpaDeX is not just a mission, it's the start of India's future in space. Section 6. SpaDeX and the world India's contribution to global spacefaring endeavors. SpaDeX isn't just for India, it helps everyone explore space. By learning how to connect spacecraft, ISRO will be one of the few countries that can do this, making it possible to work with other countries and do amazing things. Working together is important for solving big problems, and space exploration is one of those problems. The International Space Station shows that we can do amazing things when we work together. If SpaDeX is successful, India can work more with other countries in space, sharing its skills and resources. The technology from SpaDeX will also be helpful here on Earth. Things like better navigation systems and automatic connecting systems can change how we travel and respond to disasters. SpaDeX will be important for many things, not just space. Section 7. Eyes on the future, the legacy of SpaDeX. As we get closer to SpaDex's launch, the whole world is watching. The mission carries the dreams of a nation that wants to be important in space. But SpaDeX will do more than just its main goals. It will inspire future scientists, engineers, and dreamers, making them excited about space and showing them that anything is possible. SpaDeX will show us that learning and exploring are important for everyone. It will show that even when things are hard, we can solve any problem with cleverness, hard work, and teamwork. SpaDeX will inspire us, make new things, and help us understand space to help everyone. SpaDeX will start a new era for India in space, one where we are bold, ambitious, and always want to be the best. It will show that India is a leader in space, able to do hard missions that teach us new things and inspire the world. Section 8. Conclusion. SpaDeX. a testament to human ingenuity. SpaDeX will be remembered as a time when humans explored new things. It shows that we always want to go further, do things that seem impossible, and learn about the universe. SpaDeX gives us hope and shows what we can do when we have big dreams and work hard. It reminds us that exploring, learning, and wanting to be the best are things all humans share, no matter where they come from. As we get ready for this amazing mission, let's be amazed by how smart humans are and all the exciting things we can do in space.